This video will guide you through the replacement of the L-TWOO electronic shifter lever bracket cover. Fold back both ends of the bracket cover and locate the clamp screw. Use the 5mm hex wrench, insert it from the side of the bracket cover, and align it with the clamp screw. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the clamp. Insert the hex wrench into the bottom of the bracket cover, pry slightly, and remove the bracket cover. Take out the clamp screw, replace the bracket cover, noting that there are left and right distinctions, and confirm before installation. With the help of the hex wrench, insert the new bracket cover from the tail of the shifter. Fold back the bracket cover and replace the clamp screw. Using the 5mm hex wrench, pass through the bracket cover to find the clamp screw position. Replace the clamp. Tighten the clamp screw clockwise. Thank you for watching this video.